First step, and I'm not going to write this down, we need to cancel out one variable. So pick a variable that you think it would be easy to cancel out, X, Y, or Z. Why do you say X, Sid? Why would X be easier? It is, but why? Nope. Because Y has a 1 too, so does Z. Why is this one easier? Because they have the same what? Coefficient in two of them. So let's start with these two. So you can pick any two you want. I'm just picking the second and third one. And can I just add them together, or do I need to do something? Yeah, I need to change all the signs of which one. Y'all pick. First one. So that would give me what if I changed all the signs? Thing equals, 5. Do I need to change this one? Nope, so I just write it underneath. And Connor, what would I have if I added these together?
Negative 2y minus 8z equals 32.
Good. I want you to box this equation in. Now, we canceled out which letter? X. You have to cancel out the same letter. You can't cancel out a different one. We have to cancel out X. We've committed to it. But you have to pick two different equations. You can't use 2 and 3 together anymore. Take the test. Is your second period teacher aware of where you are?
I got way three.
So they're okay. Okay. 1 second, guys. No, they can't help you. Okay. Alright, so pick which two you want to use besides the second and third one. And it really doesn't matter. First and second. Okay, so we're going to use these two this time. So to cancel out the x's, I need to do what? Multiply which one? Yes, by negative 2, so that'll give me what, Sid?
Negative 2x minus 4y minus 2z equals negative 12.
Very good. And then, do I need to change the second one? I do not, so I'll bring it down. Alright, Madison, what will I have if I add these together?
Negative 5y
Mm-hmm.
minus plus 1z.
Good.
So negative 25.
Very good. So the important step to remember, or the important part, you have to cancel out the same letter. You can't cancel out different ones. Now we have these two boxed in equations. What do you think we should do with these? Yes, elimination with these two. Okay. Now which letter would be easy to cancel out? Z. By multiplying this one by what? 8. Very good. So tell me what that's going to be. Hope.
Negative 40y plus 8y equals negative 200.
Good. And now I'm going to add these together. What would that give me, Darius? If I added these two together. Is that correct? Yes? Okay, so when I divide by 42, I'll get what? Very good. Alright, y'all have any questions so far? Where we got things, or do I need to go over a step? Alright, we found 1 out of 3 variables. What do you think we need to do with that y? Okay, but to where? Alright, why'd you pick this one instead of one of the originals?
Because the original also has a x.
and a z, right? So if I plug 4 in for y, is that going to give me one variable? No, you still have 2 more, right? So you have to plug it into one of these. Connor said this one, so that's the one we'll use, okay? So I'll have negative 2 times what? 4 minus 8z equals 32. So that gives me what? Good. And then Sierra, what would I do from here?
Add the 8.
Very good. That gives me what on this side? So z is? Very good. So we found y and z. We need x. So Caleb, what would we plug these into?
One of the original.
Yes. So now you have 2 variables. You plug it into one with 3 variables. Pick which one you want, Caleb.
I guess the top one.
Okay. Yeah, that looks easiest. So I'm going to come over here. So instead of x, well, I don't know it, so I'll put x. But I'll put plus 2 times what? Plus, good, equals 10. That gives me x plus 8 minus 5. What's that going to give me? Everybody good? This is going to give me what? 3. So x is? Very good. We've solved for all 3. Yes?
How do you go from negative 40y plus 8z to negative 42y? To the left.
Right here? I added these problems together. So negative 2 plus negative 40 gives me negative 42. This cancels. This gives me negative 168. Any other questions? It's like a jungle of math, so if y'all have a question about one part, just let me know. So is it hard? No, it's just time consuming. It's just a lot of work. That's all it is. It's not difficult. You just have to have patience when solving them. Let's do one more together, okay? Bryant, which letter do you want to cancel out here? X, Y, Z.
Y.
Okay.
Z.
Z? Okay, good choice. Alright, so if we're canceling out Z, Amy, which 2 should we work with first? Which 2 equations?
The first and third.
Yes, good choice, because they both have a coefficient of what? 2. I just need to make one what? Negative. So, tell me how I would do that. Rihanna's not here. Abigail.
Multiply by negative
Alright, which one?
10. The top one.
So tell me what that would be.
Negative 5x minus 3y minus 2z equals negative 2.
Good. Do I have to change the last one?
No.
Alright, so I'll just bring it up under. Alright, so Nicole, what would I have when I add these together?
You get negative 4x
Mm-hmm.
y plus y and then z and then equals
Good. Alright, box that one in. Alright, which variable am I going to cancel out now? Z. You have to do the same one. Alright, and Nikki picked 2 different equations besides 1 and 3.
2 and 3.
Alright, so if I pick 2 and 3, still canceling out Z, I just need to multiply what by what?
Top one by 2.
Very good. So when I multiply this one by 2, Evan, that'll give me what?
4x plus 2y minus 2z plus 10.
Good. And I don't need to change this bottom one, so I'm just going to bring it down. Alright, Julia, what will I get when I add these 2 together, these equations?
5x plus 6y
Mm-hmm.
equals 26.
Very good. What do I do from here? Add them together? Do I need to do something first before I add them? Okay. Which variable would be easy to cancel out? Y. I just need to multiply what by what? Top one by negative 6. Let's do that. So that would give me what? 24x. Go ahead. Equals. Alright, do I need to change this one? So I bring it over. 5x plus 6y equals 26. When I add them together, I'll get what?
20x
Good? Equals
negative
58. So x is
2.
very good. Alright, I'll stop there. Does anybody have questions so far about a step we did? Cool. Okay, Sawyer, what do I do from here? Yes, by plugging this into what?
Plug it into the box formula.
Yes, so you want to do this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so 5 times negative 2 plus 6y equals 26. Alright, Alex, this will give me what?
Negative 2 plus 6y
And then to solve, I'll do what?
add 10 divided by 2.
Very good. So I'll get
Minus
very good. Alright, I got my x, got my y, need my z. So Madison, how do I find z?
you plug it into one of the original.
Alright, pick which one you want to work with.
The last one.
Alright, so the last original equation was x plus 4y plus 2z equals 16. So I'm going to plug in what for x and what for y? Good, I don't know what z is. So what is negative 2 plus 24? 22, very good. And to solve, I would do what? That would give me, so z is, very good. Don't these make you feel good when you work them out? I feel like you've accomplished something. I feel like it does. Alright, any questions? Any parts I need to go back over? You ready to try one on your own? Alright, do 3. Don't forget to cancel out same variable. You have to use the same variable to cancel out. Alright, so what's the answer? No solution. Good. Okay. Do I need to go over this one? Yes? Alright, raise your hand if you solve for x, or excuse me, canceled out x. Raise your hand if you canceled out y, z. Okay, it doesn't matter which one, but majority said x, so that's what I'll do. Alright, Bryant, tell me the two that you picked first, like which equations?
The first two.
Alright, and I'm going to go through these super fast because one, it's a short day today, two, you should have already worked it, so this is just checking your work, okay? So, Bryant, you multiplied this one by what?
-2.
So that would give us negative 2x minus 4y plus 8z equals -6, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, we're going to leave the top one the same. When we add them, that gives us what?
-5y plus 9z equals -5.
Alright, I'm going to box that one in. And then, who else solved for x, or cancel out x? Alright, Hope, which other two did you use?
I used the first one and the last one.
And you had to multiply this one by what?
-2.
Good, so that gives us -4x plus 2y minus 2z equals -2, right? Alright, then I didn't have to change the last one. So that would give us what when we add them?
5y minus 9z equals -10.
Good? Alright, and then I could use these two to do elimination. I just need to do what? Do I need to change anything? So I just add them together. I'll write this one underneath. And you can see what happens to your variables. And on this side? Are those equal? So it would be no solution. Everybody okay with that one? Alright, y'all feel good about the next one? Trying the next one too? Now, before you start, y'all tell me which variable would be smart to cancel out. Why? Tell me why.
Because
There's only what now?
2y.
Yes. You see right here that they've already canceled out which letter? So that part's already done. You just have to use which two to cancel out y? The bottom two, and then start from there. So this one should be short too. So start canceling out y with those two equations. Alright, go ahead and compare your answers. If you're still working, just keep working. Alright, so what was X? 4. Y? Z? Do I need to go over this one? Everybody sure? Okay. Try the next one.